Welcome to the architecture of purity, where giant aloe leaves are cradled by cold steel, beginning a transformation from raw nature into a refined crystal essence. Observe the intricate details of the raw material, where every spine and texture tells a story of desert resilience before it enters our world of mechanical precision. Advanced robotics descend with surgical grace, preparing to handle the delicate organic matter with the strength and accuracy that only high-technology engineering can provide for us. The union of nature and machine begins here, as cold metal meets soft leaf, starting a journey of purification that will strip away everything but the best. Every movement is a choreographed dance of efficiency, ensuring that the freshness of the aloe is preserved through every second of its transition into a liquid miracle. So we leave the world of the dry and dusty behind, entering the first stage of cleansing, where water becomes the primary tool for total surface purification. Submerge your senses in the dance of water, where high-pressure jets blast away impurities, revealing the true, vibrant skin of the aloe leaf beneath the surface. The power of the spray is relentless, a surreal baptism that prepares the plant for its eventual sacrifice into the pure gel that we seek to extract. Nature's geometry is revealed in every rolling bead of water, a symphony of tension and surface that highlights the incredible purity we are about to unlock. In this misty sanctuary, time slows down as the leaves are scrubbed clean by the very essence of life, leaving them sparkling and ready for the next phase. Invisible winds sweep away the remnants of the wash, leaving the surface bone-dry and pristine, a necessary step before the sharp blades begin their artistic work. The transformation is visual and visceral, accent a transition from the wild elements into the controlled precision of a futuristic laboratory where only the purest survives our process. Now clean and dry, these emerald pillars of health move toward the heart of the factory, where the real anatomy of beauty is about to be revealed. Enter the realm of the laser, where light becomes a scalpel, tracing the boundaries of the leaf with a precision that human hands could never hope to achieve. The sharpest steel meets the softest pulp, slicing away the protective exterior to find the hidden treasure buried deep within the heart of the aloe vera leaf. Witness the birth of the crystal, as the green shell falls away to reveal a heart of pure, shivering gel, glowing with a light of its own. This is the architecture of purity, a structured liquid that holds the secrets of hydration, visible now in its most raw and beautiful form for our eyes. The separation is total and clean, a flawless extraction that leaves no residue behind, ensuring that only the most potent part of the plant moves forward today. Nothing is wasted in our cycle of creation, but only the heart is chosen for the transformation into the crystal drops that will eventually touch your skin. The gel reacts to every vibration, a living crystal that carries the moisture of the desert and the purity of our mechanical process in every single molecule. A river of glass begins to form as the individual drops gather, sliding toward their destiny where they will be broken down and reborn as a liquid. Every ripple is a testament to the freshness of the harvest, a liquid symphony of transparency that marks the halfway point of this incredible journey of rebirth. The final solid state is about to disappear, giving way to a new form as we prepare to homogenize this natural wonder into a perfectly smooth gel. Power meets purity in the blender, where mechanical force carefully dismantles the solid gel, turning it into a flowing essence without losing any of its vital properties. Travel through the veins of the factory, a transparent highway where the aloe flows like liquid light, rushing toward the final stages of its miraculous mechanical refinement. Inside the vacuum chamber, we remove the air and the noise, leaving only the pure essence to be stirred into a state of perfect, glassy homogeneity. The liquid moves with a hypnotic grace, a slow-motion vortex that captures the light and reflects the sterile perfection of our modern processing environment for all. Watch as the imperfections vanish, the tiny air pockets pulled away by the vacuum, leaving behind a substance so clear it seems to vanish into the light. From the heart of the tank, the world outside looks like a blur of steel and light, while inside the gel achieves a level of absolute tranquility. One last filter to ensure perfection, a final gatekeeper that allows only the most refined molecules to pass into the world of the finished product we create. The essence is ready, flowing through the final arteries of the factory toward the rhythmic symphony of the bottling line, where it will be captured forever. Hear the heartbeat of the machine, the click and hum of the valves that measure every drop with a precision that ensures consistency in every single bottle. The gel is now so pure it defies the eye, a solid-looking stream of liquid that represents the pinnacle of our extraction and purification technology and art. The final stage begins now, as the liquid treasure prepares to be housed in its crystal-clear vessel, ready to bring its healing power to the world. A waterfall of purity descends, filling the empty space with life and clarity, creating a mesmerizing pattern of waves as the bottle reaches its perfect capacity. The gel finds its home, settling into a calm, transparent mass that reflects the world around it with the honesty of a mirror and the depth of water. The army of purity marches on, 1,000 bottles filled with the same high-quality essence, moving in perfect unison toward the final seal of our quality. The seal is set, locking in the freshness and the purity we have worked so hard to extract, ensuring that the journey from leaf to bottle is complete. Our identity is applied with the same precision as our extraction, a label that stands for the highest standards of purity and the architecture of nature's best. Speed and accuracy define this final dance, a high-velocity celebration of the technology that makes such a pure and refined product possible for everyone to enjoy. Quality control is our final promise, a light that searches for anything less than perfection and finds only the clear, crystalline beauty of our finished aloe vera. The journey is almost over, and the result is a masterpiece of modern production, a product that looks as pure as the water it was washed with. As the machines rest, the bottles are ready to leave this sanctuary of steel, carrying the essence of the aloe vera leaf to those who seek purity. Behold the final creation, pure, revived. The very essence of aloe vera, captured in a bottle that embodies the architecture of purity and natural perfection. Experience the rebirth of nature through the lens of science. This is the future of purity, where every drop tells a story of crystal clear transformation.